The expression 13 times 1.09 to the m represents a population of spiders after m months. Since a year has 12 months, 13 times 1.09 times 12 to the n represents the population of the spiders after n years. Which expression is approximately equivalent to 13 times 1.09 to the 12 times n? In situations like this, I find that with the exponential functions and trying to find equivalent meaning equal, to try and find equivalent expressions, I usually just pick a value for n and find which one gives me the same answer. For example, I always pick something bigger than like 1 or 2 because you can always get similar answers when you use smaller numbers. But I'm going to go with n equals 5. And you could have chosen n equals 3, n equals 4. You get to choose. So what I would do is I'd come to my calculator and I would type in 13 times 1.09 to the 12 times, and then instead of n, I'm going to put in 5. And that gave me an answer of 2,288.4. So I'm going to try each one of my other answer choices here and see which ones get me close when I type in 5. I'm going to show you this first one, but I would have skipped this one when I would be doing this problem because I know it's not going to be the same. Because if you notice that the 13 and the base are the same, but the exponents are different. So that's going to yield and give us a different answer. So you could have skipped over that one. The next one is 13 times 13.08 to the 5th. I would have probably also skipped over this one because timesing something by 13 over and over and over is going to give us a very, very, very large number. And our number is not super large. But I went ahead to show you and plug in the 5 and you get 4,977,165. So nowhere close to the 2,288. If I try C, I put in 1.67, 13 times 1.67, raise that to the 5th power, and I get 168. Again, not close to what I got on the first one. So now I'm going to try the last one, which has to be it, but we're going to check it just to make sure. If I take 13 times 2.81 and raise it to the 5th power, you'll notice that it says it's 2,277. And you might say that's not the same. It doesn't have to be the same. It says which expression is approximately equivalent. So the one that is the closest is answer choice D. So my answer for 49 would be D.